Conquering time. Mastering past continuous tense in regular verbs. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the world of English grammar, more specifically, into the past continuous tense of regular verbs. We will focus on affirmative sentences, which are statements that express a fact or a reality. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use the past continuous tense confidently and correctly. Let's get started. The past continuous tense, also known as past progressive tense, is used to talk about an action or situation that was ongoing in the past. We create it by using was or were plus verb ing. For instance, I was playing football, or they were dancing at the party. When it comes to regular verbs, forming the past continuous tense is pretty straightforward. You take the base form of the verb, add ing to it, and place was or were in front depending on the subject. Let's look at some examples. 1. She was cooking dinner when the phone rang. Cook. Cooking. 2. We were watching a movie all evening. Watch. Watching. 3. They were traveling around Europe last summer. Travel. Traveling. Please note that the spelling of some verbs may change when adding ing. If a verb ends in e, we drop the e and add ing. For example, bake becomes baking, not baking. Now, let's practice using regular verbs in the past continuous tense. Remember, affirmative sentences in this tense usually describe something that was happening in the past. Here are some sentences for you. 1. I was cleaning my room all day yesterday. Clean. Cleaning. 2. You were studying English when I called you. Study. Studying. 3. They were playing games when the power went out. Play. Playing. Practice makes perfect, so don't shy away from creating your own examples. And that's it for today's lesson. I hope you now feel more confident using the past continuous tense in affirmative sentences with regular verbs. It's a key part of English grammar that can greatly improve your fluency if mastered. Keep practicing and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next grammar adventure.